Want a steady stream of qualified leads without spending all day chasing them? In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to use one focused capture page to get names and emails on autopilot. A capture or landing page has one job: trade a clear, valuable lead magnet for a visitor's name and email. No distractions, no menus, just one decision. Here are the 5 things you need to build a high-converting capture page. 1. A headline, this is your outcome. 2. A support line which shows credibility, be specific. 3. Bullet points that contain the details of your offer. 4. The fields for the data you're collecting, name and email. Remember, every extra field drops conversions. Keep it to name and email. 5. The last item on your capture page is the call to action button. Now that you've designed your capture page, you only need 3 things to make it work: a page builder like ClickFunnels or Leadpages, an email service like GetResponse or ActiveCampaign, and last, a way to track analytics like ClickMagick. Now, let's talk about getting traffic to your capture page. You can get organic traffic, which occurs when visitors land on your page by way of search engine results. You can also get paid traffic. That is, when you create a pay-per-click advertisement and visitors click on the ad, which lands them on your page. There are other ways to get traffic, for example, posting in targeted communities like Reddit and Facebook groups. Common mistakes when building capture pages include too many fields or distractions like menus and multiple links, vague promises with no clear benefit, no instant delivery or weak follow-up, and traffic messages that do not equal the page message. That's everything you need to create a capture page. Remember, build one capture page per offer. I hope you received value from this video. This is something you can implement right away. Make sure to look out for tomorrow's video, because tomorrow I'm going to give you details of how to get traffic to your page. But if you're ready to get started right now, click on the link below for the program I used to build my 6-figure affiliate marketing business.